Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Man, and today I'm going to be making cheese spinach pizza puffs. I hope you enjoyed the video. My mum's just washed some spinach. Now she's gonna add a pinch of oregano and a little bit of salt. Now she's gonna mix it all up. We've got some pizza sauce and we've got ready-made pizza dough. My mum's gonna cut the pizza dough in little squares. They've all been cut up. Now we're gonna add the pizza sauce first. Gonna spread it about. Now we're gonna add the spinach. Now we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese on top. And the first one is done and there's lots more to go. Now my mum's gonna put some egg yolk on top. The gas mark is 6 and 200C and we're gonna put it in for 15 to 20 minutes. They're all done and they look so yummy, mashallah. I can't wait to try them for iftar. Looks so yummy. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the post notification bell on. Allah Hafiz.